Succulent cuttings are so much fun and so easy to use in a variety of ways. Today we're going to take some of those beautiful cuttings to make a succulent birdhouse rooftop. Let's get going. I didn't have any moss lying around and I really didn't want to go run to the store, so I decided I was going to use some burlap. It will work just as well. You can use either. And so I'm just going to take that hot glue gun and secure the burlap just around the birdhouse. And there's a little plastic layer that's on top of the birdhouse. And I just want to cover that so it doesn't show through. So I'm going to make sure that I tuck that around. I got this birdhouse at Succulent Gardens, one of our local succulent nurseries. And it comes with a plastic strip, and that plastic strip is meant to protect the wood underneath when you water so it doesn't decay and break down and ruin the roof. So that's what that's there for. So we don't want to get rid of the strip of plastic. Instead, we're just going to cover that over so it doesn't show. So we'll just take this burlap and tuck it around, hiding the plastic on all of the sides of the birdhouse roof. Just making sure that it's covered and doesn't show through. Make sure you have a pair of scissors laying by so you can just snip off any of the burlap little strings that are hanging around. With the burlap in place, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take little folds of burlap and tuck it in to make pockets for the soil that I'm going to add. So I'm going to make several little pockets, and this is going to help to retain the soil. And I hot glued those right in place so that they would stay against the wood. Now it's time for us to take some damp soil and just work it into the rooftop, into those pockets. And by doing this, this will ensure that the succulents grow and prosper and do really well on that birdhouse rooftop. Now with the soil in place on the rooftop and we've got a good layer, we're going to take and just hot glue the succulents in place. And this is the fun part. I really love this. I like to get some of the Spanish stone crop and add that to dangle over. And if you have string of bananas or string of pickles or string of anything, you can tuck those in and dangle over as well. And it's just a nice spiller. It spills over and it just looks nice. So if you have some of those, use those as well. And whatever succulent cuttings you have, just go ahead and tuck those in and start working those in. And there's no wrong. You put as many as you want. I always like to put different colors, different contrasts in there so it really pops. And just start plugging away and filling in so the soil doesn't show so much. Using aeoniums is a great choice because they have such beautiful rosettes. So if you have aeoniums, you can snip those off just below the rosette on the stem and add those to the birdhouse rooftop or any other succulent decoration you're doing. Aeoniums are wonderful plants and they're great for decoration and they last a long time. You can add any seasonal decorations like I did with these fall leaves. That works really nice with upcoming Thanksgiving, and it's really going to last a long time. And I can change those decorations out to different holidays if I want to. If there's not an upcoming holiday soon, then I will take those decorations out and just let them be and let those succulents do all the pretty work. And I want to take this time right now to say thank you to all my subscribers, both old and new. Garden Discovery has reached over 800 subscribers, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you so much. Thank you so much for the time that you put in watching the videos, and I hope that you enjoy them, and I hope they're useful to you. And if you have any questions about succulents or doing the birdhouse rooftop or anything else related to gardening that you see in my videos, please drop a comment below. Thank you so much.